Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. We're in the tomato house at Neversink, and I want to talk about trellising without heat stroke. Because I used to get up on ladders, I'd be up there, and the temperature here today is probably 75 to 80, right at this level. And I bet you it's peaking well over 90 there. And on some days it's over 100 up there. And it was excruciating because I'd go up there with roller hooks and be lowering them down. But with the hook and wicket, I'm keeping everything down at a nice level. But come here, I want to show you something. Okay, I just lowered this one onto the wickets. So if you see, here's the vine. Okay, you follow my finger. Here's the vine. It's on top of the wicket. It's coming around. Here it is. Okay, it's coming another wicket, then another wicket, then it goes around the corner, right? Keeps going, comes over another wicket, and then straight down into the ground. Okay, and we are not done with the season yet. It's early August. These are going to be up until October. So we still have 2 more months of growth. So that's why the wickets are important, it gives it something to lay down on rather than putting these things on the ground. And makes it much easier to harvest. Using a system that you can lower just without getting on a ladder is key, and that's what the hook is about. Anything you got to get on a ladder, it slows you down, and yeah, heat stroke. Especially the weather has been incredibly hot this season, and I know anybody up there I'm sure is hating it. And yeah, I threw out all my roller hooks. I think it was 3rd year of farming, and I've been using hooks ever since, which are called clipper hooks. And I use them in combination with wickets, and that just separates it from a lower and lean system. A lean system is when you're trying to pull the vine off the ground by leaning it, which puts a lot of pressure on your trellising equipment, puts a lot of pressure on your plants, and inevitably doesn't pull them off the ground, right? You couldn't take that whole vine I just showed you and pull the whole thing off the ground. It's just not gonna work. And I've actually had them pulling out of the ground from all the pressure and the weight. Now, all the weight of the tomatoes, whether it's heirloom tomatoes or cherry tomatoes or beefsteak tomatoes, I use the wickets for all of it. Now all the weight is on the wickets, not on my work, not on the house. It makes things so easy. I'm gonna lower a few so you can just see how easy it is to do it. All right, so I just lowered that one, and I get rid of these leaves which are no longer, helping the plant, and they're getting in the way of airflow. And you just see how easy that is. But I'm going to do this one while, talking to you. Right, I just remove one clip. Right, I move it over the amount I'm lowering it. Just put it down. No stretching the plant or anything. I kind of waited a little long for this lower, but that's okay. Waiting for you guys to come and watch. Okay, and I remove any of these suckers. Some of them got a little long. Just like that. Done. Get rid of some of the leaves. All right, not all of them. And I'm done. And I just keep moving down the thing. And it's comfortable. I'm not stressing the plant. I'm not stressing myself. And I can do this whole house, me and my wife, Kate, in a morning, right? We put in a good solid 4 hours in here, it's done, right? We don't need to bother with anything else. And that just increases production on the farm, makes everybody happier. It's easier for workers to do. So much easier and nicer. All right, so thanks for watching. Till next time.